Welcome to another episode of Masterminds in Maintenance, presented by yours truly, Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. In today's deep dive, we'll explore how to optimize manufacturing reliability and safety through a unique methodology, RCM Blitz. We'll also give you a sneak peek at the common areas for improvement in most companies. And who better to guide us than Doug Plucknette, the man who pioneered this approach and the author of Reliability-Centered Maintenance using RCM Blitz. Let's dive right in. In this episode, we're joined by Doug Plucknette, the founder of Reliability Solutions. Doug shares his journey from working as a pipefitter to becoming a leader in the reliability industry. He also shares the development and process of RCM Blitz, a methodology he created to improve manufacturing reliability while reducing health, safety, and environmental incidents and accidents. Doug's journey started when he was working as a pipefitter at Eastman Kodak Company. He later moved into a reliability program at Kodak and worked with Rochester Institute of Technology to develop a reliability engineering program. During this time, Doug realized the potential of reliability-centered maintenance, or RCM, in manufacturing and started developing RCM Blitz. RCM Blitz is a methodology that focuses on the most critical assets of a company rather than trying to implement RCM on every asset. This approach allows for quicker results and a higher return on investment. Doug shares that some of the most common areas for improvement he sees in companies are compressed air systems, the most critical manufacturing asset, and inventory management. Doug also explains the 5-step process of RCM Blitz. The process starts with understanding your critical assets and measuring their overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE. The second step involves understanding functions and functional failures of the assets. The third step deals with understanding the relationship between probability and consequence for each asset. The fourth step is the failure modes and effects criticality analysis, also referred to as FMECA. The final step involves implementing the changes, tracking results, and selecting the next asset for analysis. However, Doug warns against taking on too much at once. He advises companies to implement the changes from one analysis before moving. And that's a wrap for this episode of Masterminds in Maintenance. We've learned about Doug Plucknette's journey, the RCM Blitz methodology, and the 5-step process to optimize manufacturing reliability. We hope you found this information valuable. If you did, please hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. For more resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit upkeep.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next episode.